Hello. In our physics class today, we shall be talking about distance and displacement. So, what is distance? Distance is a measure of the space between 2 points. It's a measure of the space between 2 points. Let's assume we have point A here and we have point B here. The space between point A and B becomes the distance. And like we have here, this is a straight line. So it's very easy to measure the distance between point A and point B because it's a straight line. We have other distances that could be measured, distances between curves. We have a curve like this. Okay, let's assume we have point A here and we have point B here, and we are to measure the distance between the 2 points. You can see it curves this way and curves this way, then it comes out here. Let's assume there is a river in this place or a lake here. So the road that this traveler is traveling in has to come this way, and there is a mountain here or forest in this place, in this region, lake in this region, forest in this region. So the road curved through these places to B, from town A to town B. So we can measure the distances. So distances could be measured between 2 points or more points. So, but when it comes to displacement, is different. Now, in distance, we can say the distance between point A to point B is just 30 meters, 50 kilometers, 10 millimeters, 5 micrometer, depending on the unit that you want to use. So distances could be measured without considering the direction. We are not putting into consideration the direction where the traveler is going to. Each time we are referring to distance, we just write the quantity and we write the unit. Once you write the quantity, you write the unit. So distance is a scalar quantity. Distance is a scalar quantity. It means that it has magnitude only. It has magnitude only, no direction. That is what it means. No direction. Direction is talking about when you refer to east, north, west, and south. North, east, south, and west. So in measuring distances, we don't need to use north, west, east, and south. We only write the quantity and we write the unit. All right. Now let's talk about displacement. Let's talk about displacement. In dealing with displacement, displacement refers to distances measured in a straight line or in specific direction. Distances measured in specific direction. Take, for instance, we say from point M to point N. So these distances is in a particular direction. We can say this one is east. N is east of M. N is east of M. So in displacement, we only talk about two things. We talk about the quantity measured. We talk about the unit and the direction. So in this case, let us assume that we have 30 meter due east. 30 meter due east. 50 kilometer due east. 10 millimeter due east. 5 micrometer due east. In this case, we are talking about displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. It has direction, it has magnitude. Magnitude is talking about the size. Direction is talking about the cardinal point where the journey is going to, or where the measurement is taken to. Remember, I said it's usually between 2 points. So displacement is different from distance in the sense that displacement has direction. So we will use this once more when we are dealing with speed, when we are calculating, solving calculations involving speed in our next class. I want to appreciate you. Thank you very much. If there are questions you feel like asking, ask those questions and we'll treat the issues. Thank you so much. God bless you. We'll see you in our next class again. Subscribe to our channel, share this channel, and let us have more video for you. Thank you and God bless.